Hey everyone! If you're tired of buffering while streaming on Kodi, then this video is just for you. Today, I'll share the best Kodi add-ons for 2025 that work smoothly with no buffering. Plus, I'll show you a simple trick to enhance your streaming experience using NordVPN. Let's get started. Buffering can ruin your streaming experience, but why does it happen? Here are the 3 main reasons. First, slow internet speeds. Some Kodi add-ons require high-speed internet. Second, ISP throttling. Your internet provider may slow down streaming services. And third, overloaded servers. Some free Kodi add-ons struggle with high traffic. The good news? You can fix this easily with the right add-ons and a VPN to bypass ISP throttling. Here are the top Kodi add-ons that deliver smooth, buffer-free streaming. The Crew fast, reliable, and perfect for movies and TV shows. Serene uses premium links for high-speed streaming. Shadow great for 4K content with no lag. Asgard all-in-one add-on for movies, sports, and live TV. Fen works with debrid services for ultra-fast streaming. Pro tip: to get the best performance, always use premium link services like Real Debrid or All Debrid with these add-ons. If you're facing ISP throttling, geo-restricted content, or slow speeds, then a VPN is a must-have. With NordVPN, you get lightning-fast servers optimized for streaming, no buffering, no restrictions, unlock content worldwide, and privacy protection. Hide your Kodi streaming activity from ISPs. Exclusive offer. Click the link below to get NordVPN at a special discount. Follow these quick steps to get the best Kodi performance. Use a fast VPN. Connect NordVPN to a high-speed streaming server. Enable debrid services. Get Real Debrid or All Debrid for premium links. Clear cache. Use the easy maintenance plus add-on to keep Kodi running smoothly. Choose the right server. Select less crowded servers for faster speeds. By following these steps, you'll enjoy buffer-free, smooth streaming on Kodi. That's it for today. Now you know the best Kodi add-ons for no buffering in 2025 and how NordVPN can supercharge your streaming experience. Drop a comment below. Which add-on do you use the most? Let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Kodi tips and tricks. Grab NordVPN now for the best streaming experience. Happy streaming!